Here's how to turn off Face ID on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to be able to unlock your iPhone not with the Face ID, but with the passcode that you just enter in instead of the Face ID, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's first just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And now within the Settings app, tap on the search bar and just search for Face ID. And then choose at the top Face ID and passcode. You will need to enter in the passcode that you use to unlock your phone. So let me just do that real quick. And now one option you have is just to toggle off Use Face ID for iPhone Unlock. This means that you still have a Face ID on your iPhone, but every time you lock your phone, you'll need to just enter the passcode. The Face ID will not work. However, if you wanted to completely remove that Face ID, we need to go down to the bottom and tap on Stolen Device Protection. If this is toggled on, you need to turn this off. Keep in mind, it might make you wait an hour after turning it off. Essentially, this is a protection in case somebody stole your phone. Now, after we've done that, we can remove completely the Face ID by scrolling up and just tapping Reset Face ID. You can see it doesn't ask you or prompt you with anything. It immediately removes it, and you can always set up a new Face ID if you wanted to, but now the passcode will be used to unlock everything. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your feedback down in the comments below. It really helps me know, is this helpful for you? Or maybe if I missed something or something didn't work for you. Thanks, guys.